Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a common issue that many dog owners face, those pesky tear stains on your fur baby's face. Don't worry, it's a common issue and totally solvable. We're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to get rid of dog tear stains. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the cause. First things first, let's identify the cause. Tear stains can be due to various factors like allergies, blocked tear ducts, or even diet. A study from the American Veterinary Medical Association suggests that understanding the underlying cause is crucial for effective treatment. Step 2. Consult your vet. Before you start any treatment, it's always a good idea to consult your vet. They can rule out any serious issues and give you the green light to proceed. Step 3. Prepare your workspace. Lay a towel on a table and gently place your dog on it. Make sure you have all your supplies within arm's reach. Step 4. Clean the area. Dip a cotton ball in distilled water and gently wipe away any loose debris around the eyes. Be careful not to touch the eye itself. Step 5. Apply tear stain remover. Pour some dog-safe tear stain remover into a small bowl. Soak another cotton ball in it and gently apply it to the stained area. According to a study by the Journal of Small Animal Practice, always opt for a dog-specific tear stain remover to avoid irritation. Step 6. Remove excess product. Use a clean cotton ball to wipe away any excess tear stain remover. Make sure you get all of it, so it doesn't irritate your dog's skin. Step 7. Optional, apply cornstarch. Some people swear by cornstarch to help dry the area and prevent future staining. Just apply a small amount using a cotton ball. Step 8. Keep the area dry. Use dog-safe wipes to keep the area dry throughout the day. A moist environment can encourage bacterial growth, leading to more staining. Step 9. Consider diet and water. Sometimes, the type of food and water your dog consumes can contribute to tear staining. A study published in the Journal of Animal Physiology and Animal Nutrition recommends opting for high-quality dog food and filtered water. Step 10. Regular maintenance. Make this cleaning routine a regular part of your dog care regimen. Consistency is key to keeping those tear stains at bay. And there you have it, folks. A simple, step-by-step guide on how to get rid of dog tear stains. Remember, always consult your vet before starting any new treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Until next time, take care.